Here is the Kia Sorento. Let's go ahead and get started. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch and we have to get the light out of the body. And for that, we have to take off this panel. For that, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. So get the screwdriver, put it right in that slot over there, and then pry this panel off. This gives us access to two nuts, 1 and 2. And for that, you will need a 10mm socket ratchet combination to unscrew the nuts and get them off. So let's go ahead, unscrew them one by one and get them off. First one's off, and so is the second one. And now we need to get the light out. We need to slide the light out straight to the back of the car, but first just rock the light to get it a little bit loose. And once it's loose like this, now try to slide the light off. And if you're still not able to get it out, I'll show you a trick. This is what you do. You get duct tape. Get a long piece of duct tape, put it right over there, and then repeat the process and get a couple more. Now grab the ends of all of them, hold it together, and then use it like a handle to yank the light out. And it comes right off. Those two studs, that's where the nuts go on inside the body. Those two pins, they go in right over there. Now that's the bulb holder for the brake light. Just grab it and twist it left. It may be a little bit tight, so be patient. It may take a couple seconds before it comes loose. Once it's loose like this, just take it out and out it comes. To get the bulb off, just press down, twist it left, and the bulb comes right out. There you go. The bulb size is 2357. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And now when you put the new bulb back in, if you're not able to push it down, just stop, take it out, turn it around, and now you should be able to push the bulb down. So push it down, twist your right, let it go. And when you put the bulb holder back into the light, it may not drop in right away, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just sits in like this. Good. At this point, you can twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now when you put the light back in, you have to make sure all those four studs and the pins are all aligned. So get it in position first, make sure those two studs they go in the holes over there, those two pins in the front they're aligned. Once everything looks good like this, give it a push. And now let's go inside the car, and those two studs over there, just put the nuts on first by hand and then tighten it down. As you tighten it down, it's going to pull the light in and hold it in place tightly. Now let's put the access panel back on and press it down to secure it. That is now looking good. And let's not forget to get the duct tape off. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.